Welcome to HTML Introduction Tutorials with Umair Faruqi from umair.futureproof.com. So if you're a beginner like I was 3 months ago, you're probably wondering what exactly HTML is. So HTML is a language for describing web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and hence the name. You probably figured out HTML is a markup language. What a markup language is, it's just a set of markup tags. Tags describe the document content, and the HTML documents contain HTML tags, and they can also just contain plain text. HTML documents are also known as web pages, so you might hear me alternating between documents and web pages as this tutorial series continue. So they mean the same thing. So you just heard me mention something about HTML tags. HTML markup tags are usually called, in a shortened version, just HTML tags. HTML tags are keywords or tag names surrounded by angle brackets, like, for example, where it says tags come in pairs, angle bracket, I, end of angle bracket, and then the pair is the ending tag, which is angle bracket / I, end of angle bracket. So those are your two pairs, and if you noticed, the end tag is written just like the start tag, but with a / before the tag name. Starting and ending tags are also called opening and closing tags, so they mean the same thing. So let's look at a syntax or a text example. To your left, on the purple arrow is pointing at the starting tag or the opening tag. The orange arrow is pointing at the value or the content or whatever you're going to put between the two tags. And the purple arrow to the right is pointing at the closing or ending tag with the /. So now that we've covered tags, let's take a look at HTML elements. HTML tags and HTML elements are often used to describe the same thing, but strictly speaking, an HTML element is everything between the start tag and the end tag, which includes the tags themselves. So for example, over here, you could see the starting tag, which is angle bracket P, end of angle bracket, and then the value, which is the paragraph, or whatever you choose, and the ending tag, which is angle bracket / P, end of angle bracket. That whole sentence or code line is the HTML element itself. So page structure. Web browsers, such as Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, read HTML documents and display them as web pages. The browser does not display the HTML tags, but uses the tags to display the content of the page. So right over here is a structure or a visualization of an HTML page structure, and it consists of starting HTML tag, which is very important, and then your body tag, and inside the body tag you have your heading, paragraph, and the closing body tag, and then you close the whole HTML document with your closing HTML tag with the /. But don't worry about that just yet. We'll talk about that in another lesson. So that was pretty much it for this lesson. It's a short version of the HTML introduction. What you need to know before we start out and go head first into the tutorials. So let's just go over an overview of what we just covered. So HTML is a markup language, and again, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Tags come in pairs, and the ending tag is accompanied with a / before the tag name. Elements are the same thing as tags, HTML tags, and the only difference is elements also consist of the tags themselves, not just the content or the value. The page structure enables a browser to read your code and display your content however you specified it using your tags. And yep, that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching and tuning in. and social links. So to interact with this Prezi, visit my website at umer.futurebook.com. Um, on the website, you can find definitions, tags. If you needed something cleared up, leave me a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. A lot of resources there available, so check that out. And please like, subscribe, and follow my pages. And links are in the description below. And please click on the video below for my previous entry. So that will be all. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.